start my intro because apparently I was too hyped up for my sister, so. Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Okay, restart. This is all blooper. So hey guys, welcome back to another video with me. Me and my sister are gonna go hiking, and yeah, we're just gonna get Starbucks because we're like that.
Really yummy. It's one of our most popular drinks. Okay. Okay, just give me 1 more minute.
My sister doesn't know what a pink drink is. I got their pink drink. Afra, what'd you get? Got a pink drink, and she got a dragon fruit lemonade, and now we're gonna try both. This is my first time. This is my first time with the pink drink. Bro, wait. Try it. That's actually so good. Okay, that's my new order.
Scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green.
Alright guys, so we're here at Beacon Rock. Yeah. So we're at Beacon Rock and we're now just gonna start our hike. Alright guys, so we are now here at our destination. We had to put on sunscreen and bug spray because we're cool like that. And guys, if I'm gonna be honest, I'm not mentally, physically, or emotionally prepared for this hike. So yeah, we'll just see how this turns out. Alright guys, so we're entering our first cave on this hike. Guys, the only reason I'm doing this is because we're going to the beach after. So yeah. Whoa guys, bro. Whoa. Okay, wait, this actually might get me to do this with you more often. This is so cool. Bro, literally, guys, I got cut while I slipped.
On me, pull up if you're feeling lonely.
Okay, so we're 5 minutes in. It's a little scary. I fell 2 times. Whoa, bro, look at that view. Okay, so it's been, how long do you think it's been? What? 20 minutes? Yeah, so it's been like 20 minutes, apparently. And around like minute 15, I had like a mental breakdown. Yeah, I thought I was gonna die here, but that's a story time for next time. So in the comments, tell me if you want a story time for that. But we're getting closer to the top, and yeah, I'm really scared if I'm gonna be honest, because like, bro, look how high we are. Yeah. See. But if I go over here, like, we're almost up to that eye to eye with that cliff.
Selfie.
No! Guys, look at this. Like, those talls, if you like, you guys know that those trees are like really tall, and we're like triple the height of them. Guys, look how tall this is. Okay, guys. So basically, I don't want you guys to wait. So once I get at the top, I'll give you a bunch of views, and plus, I'll just add in that story time.
Hey guys, so here.
Oh my god. Guys, we are at the top of Beacon Rock. Like, bro, like, just look at this. So right now we are 850 feet above the air, or in the air, 850 feet. And bro, just look at the back when Beacon Rock was a little baby. This, like, bro, that's actually so crazy. Because you know that river right there? That would have been 150 feet below us in the Ice Age time. And this is Portland right now. But this is what it would have looked like if the river was still that high. I think that's a little bit of a difference. We still have to go down. Alright guys, so we're just walking down. And honestly, I feel like this is a really peaceful, like, yeah, it was a really peaceful walk or hike. Bro, literally, guys, I got cut while I slipped. I had like a mental breakdown. Okay guys, so we are finally down from the hike. As you can tell, I'm really sweaty, but surprisingly, I'm not tired at all. Alright guys, so now we are at the beach. And yeah, I brought my Laneige because I like reapplying for buttery soft lips. Yeah. But yeah, see you when we find a spot. Alright guys, we found our spot. But yeah, it's really low key honestly today. Like the sand's really cold. People here are like chill. There's only a few families here. The water's nice. But yeah, since I can't take you in the water. Actually, let's go in the water, guys. Let's go. Come with me to go to the water. The water. Come, my child. Movie vibes right now, I swear. Okay, that's actually really cold. Anyways, I'm not like the other people. Oh no! Why'd you do that, Cleo? I'm turning into a mermaid. I'm turning into a mermaid.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so we are now done from the beach. Now, we're just gonna get milkshakes. So, yeah. Okay guys, so now we're here. And we're just gonna get, I think, one chocolate shake, like a large for us to share. And then their summertime Walla Walla onion rings with garlic paste. Okay, I said that wrong. Sauce. Alright guys, so now I'm here with my family. And literally, so now we're gonna try these Walla Walla onion rings. Look how big these things are. Like, they're humongous. So let's try them with the garlic aioli sauce. Oh, that's actually so good, bro. There's no way. Okay, so we also got our chocolate shake. Let's try that. Whoa, that tastes like Belgian. Bro, this is so good. Alright, so now it's time for my shower because we went to the beach. So I'm just gonna use my little handy dandy speaker. And I'll see you when I'm over. I'll give you guys that story time. Plus a little additional photo shoot. Here's the story time. So basically I was crying because, if I'm gonna be completely honest, I was crying because I am terrified of heights. I am terrified of heights. I don't know why my sister dragged me along there. I am the wrong person to do the hike with. But if I'm not gonna lie, it was really fun. But yeah, just not for me. Like, I wouldn't do this every day. But yeah, I am like terrified of heights. Anyways, now for the photo shoot.